We're here for Armagh, and Armagh's going to win.
I think Armagh will win by 5 points and Connolly to get man of the match.
Me too. Of Armagh!
I think Armagh's going to win by 3 to 21, and Monaghan's going to have 2 to 13.
I think Monaghan's going to do it. It's going to be a tight game, but I think Monaghan's just going to scrape at the end, especially Rory begging the 2-pointers. No bother.
It's definitely going to be Monaghan. They're a way better team.
Armagh's going to win by 5 points.
Oh, Armagh, definitely. Quietly confident, but I do think we'll come away with a win. Monaghan will have something to say about it, but Armagh by 6.
Yeah, Armagh's going to win by 8. Man of the match, probably Oisín O'Neill or Turbo.
I think Armagh's going to win by 11. I think Turbott's going to get a goal, and I think either Connolly or Turbott for man of the match.
Woo! Armagh!
Monaghan's going to win by 2 points.
2 points. 2 points. Thinking the same now.
I think Monaghan will win there. Yeah.
By how much points?
I think they're going to win by a goal. If I had to say, I think Monaghan a goal.
So I think Armagh's going to win by about a goal and a point maybe. And I think Oisín Connolly's going to be man of the match.
Jerry, Sheila go in here, Ardwaha and you, August, Oisín Connolly and Farn Cleha.
Armagh.